好，我们来看一下这道题 Grand Canyon， 这是另一个版本。首先，大家把视频暂停一下，用大概30秒到40秒的时间，把整段话呢先通读一遍。Alright， 我们来看一下第一部分。Few things in the world 这个单词 world 这个 d 呢我们会弱化 in the world produce such amazement 这个 t 可以弱化 amazement as one's first of clippers of 两个 of 在一起，所以这里呢千万不要停顿 one's first of clippers of Grand Canyon 所以这一句呢如果你要填的话呢我们可以在 Few things in the world produce such amazement 这里 as 的前面可以有一个 tiny pause as one's first of clippers of Grand Canyon 但是我建议呢我们可以不需要有任何的停顿 It took around 这个 K 弱化 D 弱化 It took around more than 不是 It took around 就错了 It took around more than 2 billion years to create this vast wonder create this vast wonder 这个 T 和这个 T 都弱化大家听一下 It took around more than 2 billion years to create this vast wonder 好第一部分读一遍Few things in the world produce such amazement as one's first of clippers of Grand Canyon. It took around more than 2 billion years to create this vast wonder. 我们来看一下第二部分 In some places, 17 miles 不要读成了 mile OK 不要读成了 mile 是 mile I 英文里面我叫 I 对不对带进去 mile In some places 17 miles wide largely through the relentless 你不需要读成 relentless 这个 T 可以读成 relentless 口型做到位你也可以读成 relentless 但是这个 T 一定要快 relentless force of 前后连在一起 relentless force of Colorado River which runs 277 miles along 不是 along its length 注意 th 舌頭 OK 在牙齒之間 length a mile beneath its towering rims 不要讀成了 length a mile beneath 你要讀成了 s 這是錯的 OK 是我們把第二部分讀一下In some places 17 miles wide largely through the relentless force of Colorado River, which runs 277 miles along its length, a mile beneath its towering rims. OK, 我们把两部分合在一起读一下 Few things in the world produce such amazement as one's first of clippers of Grand Canyon. It took around more than 2 billion years to create this vast wonder, in some places 17 miles wide, largely through the relentless force of Colorado River, which runs 277 miles along its length, a mile beneath its towering rims. Okay, thank you very much, guys.